Let me share the screen again. Okay. You can see the screen? Or no?
Yeah.
So process type determination is done. Now we'll see the goods receipt. We need to come to the goods receipt. Strategy. Then storage type search. Define storage type search sequence for PUTI. So we'll define a storage type search sequence for our warehouse. SSSS, and I'm also keeping as storage type search sequence SSSS. Storage type search sequence for warehouse SSSS. Okay, enter. Save. Now we need to assign the storage type with this search sequence. So we'll copy. We'll put our warehouse is SSSS, search sequence is SSS, and my storage type is 0030. Okay.
Okay.
I want to search the bin into this storage type. Enter. Done. Back. Then put a control indicator
Yes.
for SSSS. We'll create new put a control indicator. Okay.
Okay.
PSCI, put a control indicator. Put a control indicator for warehouse SSSS. And storage type search sequence, what we have created?
Yes, yes, yes.
SSSS.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. Enter. Enter. Done. Then the last step, specify storage type search sequence for PUTI. This is the last step. So here, what we need to do? We need to go to copy. Okay, my warehouse is SSSS. PUTI control indicator is PSCI.
Yes.
Process type is 1010, and my search sequence is
Yes, yes, yes.
SSSS. Save it. Done. That's it. That is the configuration. Now we'll go to the product, helmet, and in warehouse data tab, process type determination indicator is 10,
Yes. 10.
and put a control indicator with this.
Yes, yes, yes.
PSC.
Oh, PSA.
These two. Okay. Save it. Now we'll create a purchase order. Take this existing vendor, material, helmet, quantity. First, let me see how much stock is already there. Okay, before doing this, I'll go to the, so that we'll understand that we have done the goods receipt and it has updated the stock, right? In the monitor transaction, you have to put the layout SAP, execute, storage bin, available stock, at 0030, product is helmet. Product is helmet. How many stocks are there? Let me check. So it is having 10-piece stock. At the moment. So I'll create a purchase order with 5-piece. So what will happen after goods receipt process, bin stock will be 15. That is the expected result. Okay. Now I'll create a purchase order with 5 quantity. Let's say. Enter. Here put the plant. And enter. Storage location is ROD, receiving on dock first. ROD. Enter. And inbound delivery is must. So in the confirmation control tab, it should be 0004. From where it comes? Answer is it comes from the info record. If we have info record, if I click on info record, we have the confirmation control indicator in the
confirmation code.
so from here
Okay.
it flows to the purchase order from the info record. Info record is the relationship between the supplier and the material. Okay. Saurabh, you know this, right? The info record is the connection between material and the supplier.
Yes, yes.
Is that where we maintain the price, the net price. Because one material, one vendor can supply multiple materials. So multiple material can have different price. Similarly, a same material can be supplied by three supplier. So different supplier can have different price. So we maintain a relationship between material and the supplier, which is called purchase info record. And purchase info record, we made the maintain the confirmation control key. Okay, so it is. Now I have to save the purchase order. Okay, PO is created. And before doing any testing for your warehouse, you can first run a test scenario by using my warehouse SSSS, so that you will get a confidence. Okay, this is the process and it is working. Then you can do your configuration and testing. Okay. So first what I have created a purchase order. Then I will be doing a inbound delivery VL31N.
VL31.
I'll put the purchase order that I have created, external ID, same. Suppose this is basically the ASN number. Enter. So here, before saving this inbound delivery document, just check, okay, the stock placement tab. It should show your 3-character warehouse. Sometimes it happens that in purchase order you have missed the ROD location. If you press enter, see, disappeared. Because warehouse exists with a combination of plant and storage location combination. Without storage location, no warehouse exists. It's a combination of plant and storage. Okay, it has come. Now I'll save the inbound delivery. Here you can see the message. What is the message? Inbound delivery was saved and distributed to WMS system. Means EWM system, it has been distributed. Remember, once it is distributed, it cannot be edited. You can't. This is the end of ERP process. Okay. If you go to the change mode and press enter, see, delivery distributed. Therefore, display only. You cannot make any kind of modification once the delivery is saved and distributed to EWM system. Okay, this is the control. Now next activity like starting from goods received, warehouse task confirmation, putting the stock into bin, everything will be done in EWM. So I need to copy this inbound delivery document. Now I have to start the EWM process. So what is the transaction for inbound process?
PRT.
Okay, we'll go to here. So in this screen, here in the right hand side, here you have to put the inbound delivery document execute. So here you can see that inbound delivery has come. Okay. In parallel, I'll open ERP screen purchase order just to show you how goods receipt is updated for my warehouse. The 356 is the purchase.
Same only, sir. Same only.
Same, no?
356.
Okay.
Yeah.
So SN, here see no purchase order history tab is there because GR has not yet been done. I'll do the GR in EWM system and I'll see that it is updating or not. Okay. So in the inbound delivery screen, you have the option to do the goods receipt. This is the tab. Here you can see goods receipt not started. The moment you will click on this goods receipt tab, it will show that completed and it will update the purchase order history in the backend system. Let's see. Goods receipt. Select the line. Goods receipt. What is the status now?
Completed. GR completed.
Goods receipt completed. Which means if I go to my purchase order,
Purchase order.
I refresh it.
Refresh.
Enter. Here you can see purchase order history tab is appeared.
Yeah.
Now from ERP side, goods receipt has been done, stock is in ROD location. Okay. Now I don't need this purchase order. I'll close this. What is the next step? Next step is
After
after you have done the goods receipt, means vehicle has come. Now you have to unload the material to GR zone, and from GR zone to actual destination bin, you need to put the stock. So next step is to create the warehouse task. How to create warehouse task? Go here, inbound delivery, follow on function, warehouse task. Okay. I'll show you again. Inbound delivery, follow on function, warehouse task. Click on here. Here you can see process type has been determined correctly. 1010 is the process type. Quantity is 5 quantity that we need to move, and see the stock type is F1 because I have not done the put I yet. Stock type is F1 means unrestricted in put I. Now what you need to do, select it. There are two options, create then save, or you can do together create and save. For training purpose, we'll break it into create and then save. Why? To show you that how the system is determining the destination bin. Okay. Otherwise, you won't be able to see. If I click on this create class save, it will show that warehouse task order is created. You will not understand what is the destination bin that is determined. Okay. So I'll click on create. Below screen. Now you have to come little below, and
GR
here
zone.
in the item details, you have an option to check the details
Form.
form view. This is the list view. You have to click on the
Okay.
form view. Click on here. Here you can clearly see the source bin. What is the source bin? 9010
Source bin
GR zone.
equals GR zone.
Destination bin automatically is determined by the system. Now click on this log. There is a log. Here you can see all the details. If anything, any problem happens, any error happens, we do the analysis by clicking on this. Okay. So it will give you the entire details, step by step, what are the things happen in the back end. Okay, so how it is determined, the destination bin, destination data. Okay, 0030 storage type determined. Likewise, this for analysis purpose. Remember this log is very, very important for analysis. Here you can see destination bin determined. Now warehouse tasks not yet.
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, we can change the destination bin here.
Yes. But if you change the destination bin, there is a process which is called exception. You have to do it using the exception process that I will show you. That is also a part of the chapter, EWM chapter, exception handling. In case you change the destination bin, system won't allow you. But there is a process which is called exception code. You have to put the exception code, then only it will allow. That has not yet been configured
Mhm.
in our system. I'll show
That
you.
means due to some issue or something like that,
Yes, due
we
to
need
some,
the
suppose
exception.
there are some oil you kept it before, some oil, and it got leaked. And now that the bin is not in a very good condition, you cannot put it next to
Okay,
it will
got
be
it.
damaged. So in that case, you have to decide on the spot that, okay, I don't want to put the stock into this bin. Please suggest me a different bin. In that case, you have to put a different bin and put the exception code, then only it will allow. And if you are doing any
Okay.
exception, system will record it, and it will generate a report at the end of the day. It will generate a report through which you can take the remedial action. Okay, these are all the exception happened. I need to take care about this. Okay, I'll show you. I'm not
Okay.
going into the details at the moment. Okay. Now creation option is there, and I just need to save it. When I save it, it will show that warehouse order number 5. It is the order number created. Now I need to do the confirmation of the warehouse task. Now warehouse task is only created. It has not yet confirmed. It is not moved the stock. Now physically I need to move the stock from GR zone to the destination bin and confirm the warehouse task. After confirmation of warehouse task only stock will be visible, not before that. If you go here and check the storage bin,
15 will be there.
available stock for the warehouse and helmet, still it is 10, not updated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to confirm the stock. How I can confirm the stock? You have to go to monitor transaction, go to inbound process, document, double click on inbound
Okay.
delivery. It will give you a pop-up. Here
Okay.
you put the inbound delivery document, execute. Here you can see the inbound delivery. Now, in the above screen, you can see couple of tabs are there. So I need to work on this warehouse task.
Euros,
So I will
euros.
click on the warehouse
So
task. Here I can see the warehouse task has appeared. Okay. If you want to see the warehouse order, you can click the warehouse order. Okay. So now what I need to do, I'll go to the warehouse task, and here, what is the status? Status is blank. Blank means open.
open.
I have not confirmed. I need to confirm the warehouse task to move the stock into the bin. Okay. Now physically, suppose you have taken the stock from the GR zone and you have put the stock into a bin. Which bin? If I click here, warehouse worker will come. They will pick the stock and will put the stock into this bin. Remember A101.
Distance.
Okay.
Okay.
A101. Remember this. Showed up. You remember this. 0,
Yeah, yeah.
A101. In this bin, I want to see the stock. So now,
Our stock.
yes. Now you go here. Here is this icon. You can see more methods. Click here and confirm in the background. The moment you click on confirm, it will show that warehouse stocks has been confirmed and status is C. So now the stock is available into your bin. If you go to the warehouse storage bin, available stock 0030, product is helmet. Execute. Now A101 bin. Earlier it was 10 piece of stock. Now 5 piece stock of stock we have received. So total.
Add 15.
Now
Sir, here one question that at the time of warehouse task, na warehouse task 5 is created. It's showing, sir. After
warehouse order
confirmation,
created 5. Warehouse order. That you want to see.
yeah,
Warehouse order. Warehouse order number 5 created. That was the message. Correct?
yeah, that is number from number range it is coming, sir.
From the number range it is coming. So if I go to warehouse
For
order, here you can see
confirmation,
warehouse order 5.
yes, yes. Confirmation it's showing 10. For that also number range is there. For
But
confirmation.
warehouse tax also you have it.
Okay.
Confirmation also have a separate number range. All are there.
Okay.
0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And we have maintained one by one. We have maintained the number range, right?
Yeah.
So what you will do first before doing your warehouse and testing, you use this same data and do goods receipt of 10 quantity
Helmet.
helmet. So total how much quantity is there? 15. So for
15 is
understanding, you do the goods receipt of 3 quantity, make it 18. And then show
okay.
up, you can also practice by doing 2 quantity. Total it will be 20.
Okay.
Okay. So that will be your home task. Please stop.
Sir, one if the topic is completed now, one at the actually what happened, I have configured that warehouse task, sir. Okay, for 1011. Okay, actually here storage process in your SS it is coming I and B1, sir. Goods receipt. Okay, and for me na I and B1 it is not coming for that 1011 warehouse process type.
IN beyond is not coming for your warehouse.
Warehouse process type 1011. It is not coming. For
No,
JJ.
1011 do not use. You use 1010.
1010, yeah. I just given that source storage type, and then my source bin is there, right? I have created separate source bin
Okay,
that I
okay.
have provided.
Yeah. So what is the process type that you are using? Sorry, process type determination.
Uh,
Have you
Shall I come
created process
to
type
that?
determination indicator?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll check. First, I'll check whether you have set up 1010 for your warehouse. Yes, you have set up both. For 1010, this is correct.
Oh, that is
Now you need to
that is
determine
done.
this bin, right? So you have to put a determination indicator. J. Okay, 01.
Yeah.
Or 01 you have used, no? Okay, 01.
Yeah,
Let's,
actually,
okay, you do one thing. You use 01 for storage process active. Now, this is generally used for 1011. Okay.
Okay.
Your wish. You can assign it. See, I'll make the configuration. This is the direct put I. Okay. 01. Direct put I. Let's use it for direct put I. And let's use 02 for multi-step. Okay. Multi-step put I. Storage process active.
Okay.
Storage active. This I have not yet shown you. I will show you in next class. Save.
Okay.
These two things, suppose you have determined. Now, what you need
Yeah.
to do, determine process type step. You have to go to JJJJ, enter INB this one, here. For direct put I 01, it will be 1010. Save. Oh,
It's already there, sir. We need to edit that.
okay,
Already, we are copying that same, right? That's it.
okay. Fine, not an issue. Oh, it came out. Oh.
SPRO, IMG, extended warehouse management, cross process settings, warehouse tasks, define control indicators for return.
Determine this.
Yeah.
JJJJ, enter. Oh, okay. Let's do one thing. Let me delete this first. Save.
Cannot be
Okay.
changed, sir. Here, once it's
So
determined.
01 and 02, na? So for
Yeah,
01,
0.
I am putting
Okay.
it 1010. Okay. This is for direct put I.
Okay.
Enter and
Okay.
save. And we'll do 02 for multi-step. Okay. Let it.
Okay.
Okay. Now for the time being, you work with 01. We work with
Okay.
01. This I have taught you.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
some
10
configurations are there.
11 only issues there. That next section we can check that, sir.
Now what you need to do, 01 is there, na? Don't focus 02 at
Yeah.
the moment. 1011, forget it. For
Okay.
the time being. Focus on 01. So in the product master, you maintain 01. Create a
Okay.
product, copy from the helmet. Okay. Copy it
Okay.
from the helmet, create a product, give the product name Satish, SATISH,
Okay.
copy it from
Okay.
helmet, and maintain the process type determination indicator 01. So it will determine 1010. First step. Next.
Yeah.
Next, you have to do the goods receive, right? So for goods receive,
Yeah.
you need a storage type.
Storage type.
Storage type search sequence. So let me
Search
see
sequence.
what you have defined. SSSS, enter.
This is not done, sir.
Not
From my
done,
side,
na?
I
You
not.
follow.
Yeah.
Not done.
I will create this.
No, let me do it. Okay. So suppose I'm copying it from here for your warehouse JJJJ.
Yeah.
Suppose storage type search sequence is also JJJJ. JJJ1. I'm
Yes.
keeping it 1. Huh?
Okay.
Storage type search sequence for, because we need another search sequence, right? For storage process active multi-step. So I'll do it.
Yeah.
Either way, you can use the same search sequence also. You can create JJJJ also, not an issue. Save.
Okay.
Now, what we need to do, assign. So you need to assign your storage type search sequence. JJJJ is your warehouse and search sequence
00.
JJJJ. And what is your storage type you want to work?
0030 only, sir. Okay.
You also want to work with 0030. Okay, fine. Enter.
Yeah.
Done. Okay.
Okay.
Now next will be put a control indicator. So have you defined anything? JJJJ.
No, sir.
Not defined, na?
I
Create a
didn't.
new
Yeah.
entry, put your warehouse
J,
and put a control indicator PSCI,
okay.
put a control indicator for JJJJ,
J,
and search sequence
yeah.
is JJJJ.
J.
Save.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Put a control
Yeah.
indicator is done. And then storage. This is the final step. So here, what you need to do, enter this, copy this, JJJJ,
J. It was content to same only.
1010, storage types are sequence.
J.
That's it. Done configuration.
Okay.
Okay. But you first start with
Okay.
my warehouse and do a cycle.
Yeah.
Then you can try with your own.
Sir, actually, one question, sir. Generally, can you please open any Word or Excel, sir? Because you created one raw material after that packaging material, right? In that video, I get little confused actually. For example, can give one practical example, sir. Raw material and then for packaging material. So according to that, we will create in
Yes,
your.
yes. You can create a raw material and you can create a packaging material. Only thing is that in the
Okay.
packaging material, you have to put the packaging material type 0001, 0001. And handling
Okay.
unit type E1. You maintain that.
Yeah. So both how it is combined, sir. Actually, that is in product master only we are combining, right?
No, you have the handling unit type, right?
Yeah.
Handling unit type is having a number range.
Correct.
So whenever you put any packaging material and click on the
Okay.
pack, then it calls that
Okay.
number range, it combines and create a handling unit. Packaging material is a separate number. Main material is a
Okay.
separate number. Whenever you go in the pack transaction and put a packaging
Okay.
material and click on execute, it calls the handling unit type and that corresponding number
Okay.
range and save it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That I need to practice. I will
Mhm.
work it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Satish.